While most standard laptop screens are amazing for productive tasks, they often have less to offer when it comes to gaming. Portable gaming monitors such as this one right here from UPERFECT can be an ideal solution. This 17.3-inch monitor has a 1440p screen and a VESA mount, which is quite rare in portable gaming monitors. But when it comes to this and a standard portable monitor such as the LG Gram View Plus, which one is worth considering? Let's just put them side by side and test them out, shall we? Starting with Uplays J3. This 17.3-inch portable monitor appears to be sleek, featuring anti-glare, anti-fingerprint, and eye strain coating. And as we pick it up, we immediately noticed its lightweight build quality, which is quite impressive for a portable monitor this big. Additionally, this monitor features two USB Type-C ports, one HDMI connection, one micro USB-B port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It also comes with a smart black sleeve made of durable PU leather, serving as a protective folio cover, and a monitor stand with a VESA mount underneath it. That's right, a VESA mount in a portable monitor. We mean, how often do you see one on a portable monitor? The LG Gram View Plus, on the other hand, has a similar form factor, which is comparatively thinner than the Uplays J3. But sadly, there is no VESA mount on this one. It comes with an anti-glare coating and low blue light mode as well. And as for the ports, it features two Type-C ports for external connectivity, and that's pretty much it. Wish they included some additional connectivity options like the Uplays J3 portable monitor. However, just like the J3, LG Gram View Plus also includes its own version of the folio stand. Talking about the specs, Uplays J3 portable monitor features 1440p resolution, including a complete sRGB color gamut and up to 60Hz refresh rate with 3 to 5 milliseconds of response time, which is actually pretty sweet for a portable gaming monitor. And to top it all off, it got FreeSync and HDR underneath its sleeve as well. LG Gram View Plus comes with a 2560 by 1600 resolution, featuring a 99% DCI-P3 color gamut and a 60Hz refresh rate. Despite having a higher resolution, this one lacks HDR and display sync technology, which often seems to be a big deal for gamers. So it appears that the LG Gram View Plus boasts a higher resolution and wider color space, but for gaming, Uplays J3 portable monitor will make a difference since most modern games are optimized for the sRGB color gamut. That being said, let's put both these monitors to the test. We paired both these monitors with a Ryzen 5 5600U mini PC, and they both seem to work quite fine, to be honest. But for 1440p gaming, Uplays J3 did manage to keep it up to the mark, all thanks to its RGB color gamut and HDR compatibility, resulting in good color accuracy. Games such as RDR2 and Genshin Impact appeared more vibrant and rich on the Uplays J3 compared to the Gram View Plus. Apart from gaming, we have also connected these monitors to our MacBook to test out a desktop-like setup. We performed tasks such as video editing, watching movies and videos, and both of them were quite good. However, the HDR compatibility of the Uplays J3 monitor made the details pop and the contents appeared more vibrant compared to the Gram View Plus. But the downside is the matte screen with anti-glare coating, which takes a little toll on the quality. But as it's focused primarily on gaming, having these features really pays off during long gaming sessions. Apart from a mini gaming PC and laptops, we have tested both these monitors with our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in DeX mode. The result? A portable desktop-like experience that was better on the Uplays J3 portable monitor thanks to its OTG support. The additional ports on this thing were quite useful too, as we were able to plug in external accessories. The same, however, cannot be said about the LG Gram View Plus due to its limitation of ports. So it seems that both these monitors have their own perks and plus sides. The UPERFECT is better for gaming thanks to its HDR compatibility, FreeSync support, and sRGB color coverage. On the other side of the spectrum, the LG View Plus shows great potential for productivity tasks due to its higher resolution, resulting in greater text clarity. If you're on the hunt for a portable gaming monitor, you should definitely go with the Uplays J3 portable monitor. Otherwise, LG Gram View Plus will suffice for productivity and general use. So, that was all about today's comparison of Uplays J3 portable gaming monitor versus LG Gram View Plus. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.